right, we are continuing the moving process. At this point, all we've really done is taken stuff down from the walls, with the exceptions of a couple of things that are still hanging because we kind of are using them right now. Right now, I'm going to focus on my desk. I actually want to get a new one, so I'm going to be on the market for a standing desk. I've always wanted one, and I know it's going to be very beneficial for me, so I'm really excited to get a new desk. This desk is from my Buy Nothing group, so I'll probably just put it back in there, see if anyone's interested. But I do want to go through a couple of drawers in the cabinet because it's been a minute since I've gone through that, so let's see what we find there. This is what this drawer looks like. It's a very disorganized mess. So I'm gonna go through every little itty bitty thing in here and see what I no longer want. And then we're gonna go through these two drawers as well. Oh, there's where my tweezers went. Okay, I'm gonna start with trash. So I have like gum wrappers, that's trash. I just dropped something. This is a keep. Trash. What's this? Oh, this is for my new LED light. There's actually something in here that I need to look up, so I'll just keep this for now and then I'll throw it away. This is the measurements to my current desk, so when I get my new desk, I need to kind of like gauge based on this because I like the size of that. So I'm gonna keep that. This trash. This was a little sticky note that my man left on my birthday. I don't know if you can read it. Gotta take this out and see what's hiding underneath. This is so dirty. Okay, we're gonna put that to the side. Receipt. How old is this? Last year. That's trash. What's this? A coupon expires in a couple months. I'll keep that for now. This is for my tripod and Bluetooth remote. Trash. This goes with this other wireless mic that I have, but I don't need it. So I'm gonna put this up for sale and put the manual with it. Bookmark, it's kind of like flimsy. Throw that away. This is trash. Trash. This is for the camera I'm filming right now. This goes in here. Ugh, why are there so many cables for everything? It drives me insane. I have to figure out what to do with them. This is for like camera equipment, my little portable fan, and that's a keep, that's a keep, that's a keep. Okay, this is good. There's like a lot of things in here that are for like camera equipment and content creation. I need to have like its own dedicated container for that because things are kind of like all over the place right now. Take it to the zoo. Trash. Okay, let's see. These little guys. Tiny mic. Hair ties. Relocate. I'm gonna take everything out right now. I think a lot of this is actually good to keep, but I'm gonna just put these things in a box because there's no point in putting these back. Okay, I just pulled out everything from in here. So in here I just keep notebooks, journals. I have a couple of file folders with important documents that we store in here. However, I haven't gone through those in a long time and they're getting pretty full and thick. So just gonna have to go through that and see if there's anything I can throw away. More folders, more paperwork, journals and things. I'm gonna go through everything and there's no point putting things back right now. So I'm probably just gonna find a box and start putting stuff in there. That's a keep. This is for my little Polaroid. I gotta go through all this film still. We have a stapler, but we literally never use this, so I think we're just gonna get rid of that. Keep. That's good, that's good. This is where we keep all of our important documents, things that we just need to store and file. So it's a little bit thick and full. Haven't gone through this in forever, so have to go through that. More things, more paperwork, another file folder. This is for my laptop, that's a keep. And more notebooks and journals. So let's get rid of stuff. So I just went through all of my things, and these are my partner's things. So I'm just gonna wait for him to go through this. I'm not sure what he wants to do with it. So that's his side. This for sure we can throw out. And everything else looks like it's a keep. I'm gonna start taking stuff out from this. In the next place, I want to use this exclusively for my dog stuff. Right now, it's got like a mix of just random things like picture frames, candles, got some books here, photo albums, miscellaneous bar things, and then my dog's toys. So I kind of want to turn this into my dog's little cabinet to store all of her things because she does have quite a lot. So that just means we're gonna have to find different homes for like these three. Okay, there's some books in here. I'm gonna put these with the other books over there. We haven't packed those yet. This I want on my car. This box is already getting pretty heavy.
Keep or get rid of?
Get rid of. Does it fit you still? This box is almost full. All right, it's about like an hour later. We're taking a break. It's actually dinner time, so he's making our dinner right now. I'm kind of just tidying up a little bit. So he's gone through all of his clothes, putting some stuff away. We've got a little tiny declutter pile right here below, and all the shelves up here are all empty. The only thing in the closet is my clothes that are hanging right here, and this organizer. I don't have to declutter any clothing. I recently did a video on decluttering my closet, so nothing's gonna be decluttered. There are a couple of shoes down there that I want to get rid of, and then all of these bins were the ones in the shelf in the closet, so this is like 95% my things, so I have to go through all of this, but I'll do that tomorrow because it's getting late. And this is just the state of the room right now, which is kind of crazy, but it's a part of the process. It's move-in day. So we got the keys. We just went to get some yummy coffees because we are going to need the energy. Oh, that's so good. And yeah, it's 10 in the morning. We're about to get started. Cheers.